In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage templates in Confluence. Templates help you keep pages consistent, save time, and guide your teammates to include the right information every time. Let's walk through the full flow from finding the right settings to building a clean, reusable template that your team will actually use. Start by signing in to Confluence. You'll need permission to access the space where you want the template, and in many cases, you'll need space admin rights to adjust template settings. Once you're in, head to the specific space where this template should live. Templates are scoped to a space, so choose the one where your audience works day to day. Open the space's settings. You can use the space settings link in the sidebar or open the More menu and choose space settings from there. Inside the settings area, look for the Look and Feel section and select Templates. This is your control center for creating, editing, and organizing space templates. Click Create New Template to open the editor. Give your template a clear, action-oriented title so people know when to use it. In the body, outline the structure you want users to follow, add headings for the main sections, use page layouts to create columns if needed, and include brief helper text to explain what belongs in each area. Think about the order of information. Start with essentials at the top and move supporting details further down so pages are scannable. Next, add variables as user input placeholders. Variables prompt the author to fill in key details like a project name, due date, or owner. Add a short description for each variable to set expectations and consider default values if there's a common answer. This keeps content uniform without forcing people to remember formatting. Enhance the template with macros where they add value. A table of contents can auto-generate navigation for longer pages, while a status macro can standardize progress updates. You might also include panels for callouts, task lists for action items, or a decisions area. Use macros deliberately to guide behavior without clutter. When you're happy with the structure, click Save. Your template will now appear in the Create Page flow for that space, so teammates can pick it when starting a new page. If you later need to refine it, come back to the Templates section to edit the content, rename it for clarity, duplicate it for variations, or disable it if it's no longer needed. A quick tip: pilot your new template with a small group and adjust based on real feedback before rolling it out widely. That's it. You've created a clear, consistent Confluence template and set yourself up to manage it as your team's needs evolve.